This is the easiest way. There's so many people out there that are not able to sell a house. And this is great. I mean, you guys, the market will crash. It's not when, it definitely will. When, what date? I can't tell you that. My gut tells me, not gut, I truly believe is in this year, but I don't know. Even in a downward market, when the price of houses go down, this could work, because you know why? What do we have more of? We have more tenants. When prices go down, we have more tenants. Unfortunately, these tenants may have owned a house, and guess what now? They could have lost it. So they have a foreclosure on their credit. These banks don't like foreclosures on their credit, but they say, okay, after so many years, we will still lend to you again. So it's just really a waiting period to make sure that the prospective new owner learns their lesson.